Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from oven and allow to cool completely. Once sweet potatoes are cooled, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mash sweet potatoes and butter until completely smooth. Pour filling into unbaked pie crust. Serve warm or chilled with a dollop of whipped cream or marshmallow fluff.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
That sweet, orange-colored root vegetable that you love so dearly is actually a sweet potato. Yes, also called yams, are in fact sweet potatoes. Most people think that long, red-skinned sweet potatoes are yams, but they really are just one of many varieties of sweet potatoes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
After baking, pie should be left at room temperature as the cooling process normally takes 2 to 4 hours. Within 4 hours, the pie should then be placed in the refrigerator. Cover loosely with plastic wrap until serving. Pie may be refrigerated for 2 to 3 days.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
It's commonly made using almost identical ingredients: eggs, condensed milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, except that sweet potatoes are used in place of pumpkin. The flavor is similar, too, but where pumpkin pie is dense and creamy, most sweet potato pies have more texture, and the filling is lighter and more airy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.